Tanat Textiles jong ke sorkar jala haringkat ke jinga trelang bat ke National Institute of Fashion Technology menta ke sengining kong ke nyotarik unailar arhaja ar paulai kala rakhe ke sengi Thanjing Than dakikti ne ke National Handloom Day ha National Institute of Fashion Technology hakani ke sengi ubak pol Lyngdoh menteri ke Tanat Textile jong ke sorkar jala ula longkum ukongsan ubak Meral Bonds MLA ke Nongthaiñ ubadai chairman ke Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board kum usembut kongsan ubak Frederick R. Kharkongor bat kiwe. Hakani ka sengi rakhe ke National Handloom Day la samru ya ki khusnam na kabanta ke Nongthaiñ Jaiñ bat layo ki jingkren na usembut kongsan bat na ukongsan.
No, it's not true. Pineapple?
Ini Pak James is a entrepreneur on his own.
At a showcase here.
One more time, a round of applause. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
The award consists of a certificate of appreciation and a cash prize of 10,000 rupees.
Congratulations to all the weavers. I request all of them to come forward on.
Certainly, Meghalaya has arrived in terms of the skills that we have been able to ingrain in ourselves, inherited from our ancestors. I'm happy to learn that some of you are representative of the third generation of weavers in your villages. And today at the exhibition, while going to the various stalls, I encountered a particular gentleman, I think about James, who has gone international, whose products have reached Europe. And what else? The sky is the limit for us. There are more success stories that we can should script, and I certainly take it upon myself to lead from the front and ensure that this map is not only to be displayed here at NIFT, this map will become a global map one day. It will be recognized by the rest of the world. But today it's not only the hand that rocks the cradle, it's also the hand that weaves will rule the world. Let us keep that as an aspiration for this Department of Textiles, that the hands that move these spinning wheels will one day rule the world. In a couple of months from now, all our products will be showcased at Milan, Italy, the fashion capital of Europe. It's going to be a huge statement on the part of Meghalaya, a state that till today has this paradox of being a rich land inhabited largely by the poor. this need not be the destiny of Melia. We have to transform this paradox into a success story. Melia has it. We have it in us. Listen to the music that we produce. Look at the craft. Look at how we've come from where we were. I'm amazed at the talent that we have. And therefore, together, let us be part of this success story. We are too fond of complaining. We are too fond of cribbing. Let us transform the complaining. There is a saying, if you're not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem. If you are not part of the solution, then you are part of the problem.
By the state government, initiative taken by the central government through the Ministry of Textile for the continuous support to uplift the weavers within the state who are representing different culture, identity of our state. We cannot deny the fact that we have been blessed as a state. We have a beautiful constitution that has been carved out, where we have the sixth schedule to empower the local, the traditional heads. We have the authority upon the soil, the customary law that we have, and many issues with regard protection for the indigenous people of our state. And we are happy to see that as a state, we have a 3 autonomous district council, the Jainta Hills Autonomous District Council, the Khas Hill Autonomous District Council, and the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And as a citizen of this state, where most of the part of our state is under scheduled land, and it goes hand in hand at the same time to promote the culture identity through different Ramba Ashtang, the Nokuma, the Hima, district council that we have.